This Bollywood diva posts a hot topless picture on Instagram. Guess who? This Bollywood diva posted a topless picture with a rose in her hand. She's looking smoking hot in this click. She made headlines when she was linked to one of the cons of the industry, on to the extent that people went on to say the two have something for each other. This actress will also be seen with mega star in his upcoming film and is all excited for it. She has been praising about the mega star in her interviews and is glad to work with him. She's currently grabbed all attention when her phone was hacked. Well, we hope that we have dropped enough hints for you to guess the name of this beauty. Of course, who else but Amy Jackson? How did you like it? Tell us in the comment box below. And for more Bollywood updates, subscribe our channel, Bollywood Inside Out.